This is the story of the most calculated, far-sighted gamble in the history of Silicon Valley. If you read the headlines today, you'd think Nvidia just won the lottery. The mainstream narrative paints them as an overnight success. They're called a humble gaming company that woke up one morning to find out the graphics cards they were building to run Cyberpunk were magically the exact same chips needed to power ChatGPT. It's a great Cinderella story, but it's completely false. Nvidia didn't stumble into a $4.3 trillion AI goldmine. They built the shovel, mapped the terrain, and laid the roads a decade before anyone else even knew there was gold in the ground. This isn't the story of an accident. To understand the genius of Nvidia, we have to go back to 2006. At the time, CPUs were doing the heavy lifting for computing. GPUs were just dumb silicon pipelines designed to push pixels to a monitor. But Jensen Huang saw that standard processors were hitting a physical wall. Moore's law was slowing down. He knew parallel processing was the future. So Nvidia released CUDA, a software layer that allowed developers to use those thousands of tiny GPU cores for general-purpose complex math. And Wall Street hated it. Nvidia's profit margins tanked. Investors punished the stock because Huang was pouring billions of dollars into R&D to solve a problem that nobody was asking them to solve. There was no market for general-purpose GPU computing. But Nvidia didn't care. They gave CUDA away to universities for free, quietly training an entire generation of academic researchers on their architecture. Then came 2012. An AI model called AlexNet absolutely crushed the competition in a massive image recognition contest. The secret? The researchers didn't use massive supercomputers. They hacked together their neural networks using standard, off-the-shelf Nvidia gaming GPUs. This was the pivot point. Most companies would have just celebrated the sales boost. Nvidia completely re-architected their entire company. They realized that researchers were forcing gaming GPUs to do matrix multiplication because nothing else existed. AI wasn't a software trend. It was an entirely new computing paradigm. Instead of waiting for the industry to ask for it, Nvidia built a dedicated engine directly onto the silicon. In 2017, they introduced the Volta architecture and the Tensor Core. This was a dedication to AI from the hardware level. While a traditional core processes one calculation at a time, a Tensor Core is designed specifically to perform fused multiply-accumulate operations, the exact type of heavy matrix math that deep learning relies on, at an incredibly high speed. This is why competitors are struggling so hard to catch up today. Building a fast chip is only half the battle. Because Nvidia spent over a decade building the software libraries, like CUDA, the entire AI industry natively speaks Nvidia's language. You can build a processor that is faster and cheaper on paper, but if the world's AI software doesn't run seamlessly on it, developers simply won't use it. Nvidia didn't just build the hardware. They locked the entire industry into their software ecosystem long before anyone else realized what was happening. Nvidia is a $4.3 trillion powerhouse today because of highly calculated, deeply unpopular decisions they made in 2006 and 2017. They saw where the limitations of traditional computing would bottleneck the future, and they bet everything on parallel processing. So the next time someone tells you Nvidia just got lucky with the AI boom, remind them, they didn't stumble into the future. They built it from the silicon up. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I bring more such videos, coding tutorials, coding projects, and more every week. I'll catch you in the next one.